Hi, before starting make sure to subscribe and comment so that I can give you shout out in next video. Number 1. Tavool Self-Leveling Laser Level, 50 feet. About the product. Tavool T series laser level with 3-beam vertical, horizontal, and cross-line laser takes advanced technology to deliver maximum line laser visibility up to 50 feet. This level laser tool could self-leveling when located on an inclined surface within 4 degrees. If the surface inclines over 4 degrees, the laser will flash to indicate out of level condition to remind you to adjust the location of laser leveler tool, which is very easy to use and save your much precious time. Tavool 3 laser level line has 2 switching models, lock and unlock. Each of them has 3 measurement modes: vertical laser, horizontal laser line, cross laser line. Switchable horizontal and vertical red beam laser tool could lock the vertical, horizontal and angle position of the measurement target quickly. Number 2. DEKOPRO 100-piece home repair tool set. About the product. Forged from high-quality steel and finished in high Polish chrome, strength, durability, anti-corrosion protection. Contains tools needed for most small repairs and basic DIY projects around the house. Home spare. A combination of a variety of basic tools, precision screwdrivers, hammers, tape measure, pliers and so on. Also has a dual function mini small ratchet wrench, and wrench sleeve. Limited tools with unlimited functionality. Black case makes it dirt resistant. Case size, 13.39 inches by 9.84 inches by 3.54 inches. Net weight 7 point 54 pounds. Number 3. TAC Life Rotary Tool Kit with Multi-Pro Keyless Chuck and Flex Shaft. About the product. In this rotary tool kit we have Flex Shaft, improves the product flexibility, and makes your precise project more comfortable and relaxing. Shield provides perfect protection when you conduct cutting and grinding work. Detailer grip allows you focus on your precise carving, grinding and engraving and gives more stability. Cutting guide is suitable for different depth cutting, and keeps good perspective and stability. 100 plus accessories covers various application ranging from cutting, engraving, drilling, sanding, polishing and even grooming pets' nails. The high-performance rotary tool has powerful motor providing strong rotational power with lower noise making. 6 levels speed shift ranging from 10,000 rpm to 32,000 rpm makes your DIY project easily conduct. The product is lightweight and convenient. Ergonomic design with overmold allows long time working be more relaxing and cozy. Number 4. InnoStage 10-piece gardening hand tools set with garden storage tote bag and seat. About the product. All-in-one garden tools kit includes trowel, weeder, wrench, planter, rake, cultivator, pruning shears, plastic garden sprayer, polyester with rubber gloves, removable tote bag, 98 feet bind line, foldable seat. The bearing surface of seat is made by special fabrication processing, adding reinforced tape, safe and firm, bind line. 98 feet plastic coated binding wire by pressing to cut, durable and easy to use. Gardening work gloves with hard ABS claws, easy to dig and plant, protecting hands against rose thorns/shrubs/undergrowth and any other painful scrapes the garden may cause. Solid polished heads, shiny, smooth, rust-proof and extremely sturdy, natural wooden handles, for kinds of works including pruning branches, weeding, digging, loosening soil, transplanting, aerating and more. Number 5. Tack Life Classic Mouse Detail Sander with 12 pieces sandpapers. About the product. With 12 pieces sandpaper, 6 pieces 80 and 6 pieces 180 grits, lasts the sander along using life and meet your different applications of removing paint from wood, metal, or plastic of corners and other hard-to-reach areas. With a dust collection can keep the work area clean. The buckle connection design keeps the box from falling off during work. It is an ideal tool for indoor detail works. This detail sander can be connected to 32 mm or 35 mm tube of vacuum cleaner. With a vacuum cleaner connecting pipe which can connect to the vacuum cleaner, it is an ideal tool for indoor detail works. We recommend emptying the dust in the container after using the product for a while and reinsert it after cleaning. The sander runs at 12,000 orbits per minute with 1.1 amps of power, 140 by 140 by 90 mm sanding pad with 2 mm working pendulum diameter to support high efficiency. Thanks for watching. All links are available in description. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and press bell icon.